So I want to share what actually works for me so you could do it too. What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. My name is Pat Harris and I'm a full-time Amazon FBA seller. On my channel, I share tips and techniques that help with my own Amazon FBA business so they could help you out as well. But in this video, I'll be doing something completely different. I'm going to share 4 ways that I earn passive income, Amazon FBA being one of them, and I'm going to break it down and show you what I do. But before we get into it, if you could like this video, subscribe to the channel, do anything you can to help me out. I would really appreciate if you could do that right now. But let's get into it. So the first stream of passive income that I earn is Amazon FBA. Now, if you don't know what Amazon FBA is, you could check in my other videos. I have a video that shows what it is. But basically, Amazon does pretty much all of the work for you, so it's considered passive. Now, in the beginning, it's not passive. You have to do all the work. You have to find a product. You have to get it shipped from China to Amazon. You have to rank your product. But once it's all figured out, you basically can make income while you sleep. I even got sales on the first day I launched, and I saw the power of passive income, money being made while you don't have to do much to maintain it. So that's why I love Amazon FBA. In the beginning, you're not going to make a ton of money, but it all depends how much work you put into it. So if you want to check out how to sell on Amazon, you could click in the link below. But that is one main stream of passive income. My second stream of passive income comes from options trading. That was a tongue twister. But you've probably heard of the stock market. You've heard of how to trade stocks, but I trade options. So it's almost the same, but really you're buying contracts of a stock. And the reason I do it is because you can make a ton of money fast. You don't have to wait years for your money to go up. You can make a lot more, over 100% in one day. And it's fairly simple, but I would recommend look at different groups out there. YouTube, how to do options trading. And a lot of people do it on Robinhood because it's a really user-friendly app. So that is another way to earn passive income, is trading options. Now, the third way I earn passive income comes from my digital course. Now, I saw a problem out there when I sold on Amazon. I was trying to help out a ton of people in the beginning when I launched my first product because it was successful. And I probably spent months every day typing to people saying what I did, how I got reviews, how I ranked my product. And that led me to create a course. And the main reason I created the course is because when I started out, almost all of these courses were over $1,000 just to learn Amazon FBA. And once I saw what was inside of those courses, I knew there was a problem. I had to add value. I had to fix it. They weren't covering everything that you needed to know. So I spent over a month creating a course step by step, and I update it every month. And that is how the course came around. I was never going to make a course in the beginning, but when I started my Amazon FBA Facebook group, I had a ton of people always asking me questions, and I didn't mind helping, but I had to think what would be time effective. And that's when I went to work creating the course, and I priced it very low compared to all the other ones out there. The main thing I get is, why is your course so cheap? But that's a good problem for the people buying it because they're not wasting thousands of dollars like I did in the beginning. So I saw a problem and I solved it. So that's how the digital course came around, and I earned passive income off of that, helping other people. Now, the fourth stream of passive income comes from affiliate marketing. You could pretty much be an affiliate for everything nowadays. Any type of software, any program, every website, anything pretty much. Just go to their contact information and they'll have an affiliate tab and you can promote their product. I even offer it for my course, and they pay you a percentage. Whatever the person signs up for, you get a percentage of that amount. And it is great because if you are selling something that you are good at and you actually use that product and recommend it, then you might as well share it with your audience and give them a discount so they're not spending full price. So you're helping them out, but they're also helping you out. So it kind of goes around, and that is how I earn my fourth stream of passive income, because I use the product software for my own business. I had to share it with the people I was teaching, and then I know it's a great product because I've done tests and I'm giving them a discount, so it works great. But it doesn't have to be about Amazon FBA. Think about what you are good at. So if you can make music on your computer, you could have a course on that. You could teach them how to make a drum pattern, teach them how to record vocals, teach them how to make any type of music, and you could have a complete course to teach others. There's always going to be an audience if it's something cool, and if you know how to do it the right way, you can earn passive income by teaching other people that want to learn, and then they could go off and do their own thing. But that is how it all works. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. Hopefully you could put these strategies to work for yourself. Again, it's not easy. If you've seen all of the Facebook ads, everybody is selling a course these days for pretty much everything. So it is very competitive, just like everything else in the world. But if you put enough time and work into it, you can make it happen. All right, so if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, like this video. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.